Can you see yourself?
Hello guys, we are watching Momsy Crystal and you're watching us. Ah! I'm scared.
Alright, it's lunchtime and the girls are eating beans, long beans. Show them the long beans, Althea. Can you show them the long beans?
And fish.
And fish. And kangkong.
And tomatoes.
And tomatoes. Wow.
And rice.
And pepper. Wow.
And sabaw.
Do you eat fish, guys? Do you eat veggies? Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah, I do. Can I put the thing a little bit loud?
Not too loud, not too loud.
A little bit.
Okay, a little bit only. Okay, hold on, I'll do it. Just eat, okay?
And rice. We also got rice. This is how rice looks like.
All right. So you're eating rice. Sit down nicely, Althea. Okay, show them that you have a table manner. All right? Yes. Are you in a camping?
No.
Are you in a camping?
No.
Are you in a camp course?
No.
Living in the village?
We are
Yes.
living in the village.
Yeah, so this is how living in the village, guys. How to live in the village. Eat fresh vegetables, right? Yes, so you must eat fresh vegetables.
Mimi, go. Mimi is a vegetable.
Noodle beans. That is noodle beans. Noodle beans. Yes, sweetheart. Do you like noodle beans?
Yeah, but why?
Why what?
Why mommy is not coming here?
No, because you are in a camp with me. Yeah? You are doing a camp, summer camp with Remily. Yes?
And you're a vegetable.
Yes, summer camp
Yeah, he said
with Remily. Living in the village.
It's not mommy who knows that.
No, mommy knows that you are here.
No. We're going to the swim pool.
And she's going to see this one. She's going to see the video.
Please don't get angry to me. Please.
She's going to see the videos.
Swimming pool.
Okay, hello guys. Welcome to Aprender English con Remily. Here we are, living in the village. How to live in the village, guys? Eat fresh vegetables.
You already said that.
Ah.
Mimi, I said Mimi's a fruit and then you said yeah by accident.
Mimi is a food. Oh
Fruit.
no. Hold on. Finish your food and I'm frying the fish. I'm still frying in the fish. So how is it, guys?
Food.
What's your opinion about living in the village? Do you like the food? Sit
Yeah,
down,
so
please.
good.
I'll say yes, sit
Mimi,
down.
I want to
Show your audience that you have a good manner, table manner, okay? So you must be a model, okay?
I'm
You
not
must-
even a model.
You must be a model for my students.
We're not your models. We are your kids.
But show them that you can eat nicely with the noodle beans. Can you show them how you eat your noodle beans? Do you like noodle beans, guys?
Put the noodles in
I
your
don't like the
spoon.
thick ones. I only love the thin like those.
The noodle beans, the kangkong. These are Philippines vegetables, guys. So I'm
This is
gonna sit
kangkong.
down.
If you never tried kangkong before, this is how it looks like. And it's kind of sour.
So I'm gonna sit down also, guys, and eat with them.
Mimi,
Yes,
do you
sweetheart.
put the spoon a little bit right?
Oh, what happened? You can't see?
It's too dark.
Okay, sit down nicely.
Okay, I'll
What did you done?
All right. So enjoy your meal, guys. I'm gonna sit down and eat my food too.
Mimi, what's your food?
Yeah, I'm gonna take
Mimi,
my.
I want to drink.
You want to drink?
Mimi, can you give me some water?
Yes. Hold on a second. All
There's
right.
a lot of things that you're asking to me because
I wish Mommy was here to help
It's
you,
our
Mimi.
it's our
Yeah.
fourth day. to sleep here.
You will sleep time. Mommy was here to
Yes,
help you.
I do.
Like you could just call them and then they will come here.
They will come here.
I don't really want to call them.
Sorry?
Nothing.
You don't want what?
I don't want to call them because you always have so much fun with them and we just watch TV.
So what did we do this morning, guys?
Here's the water for you.
We made pancakes. We go to the garden.
We went to the garden.
We went to the garden to get some fruits.
Some fruits and vegetables.
We made pancakes.
We made pancakes.
We drank. We played in the park.
You played in
And
the
now
park.
we're going be in
And
the
now we
swimming pool.
are.
Now we are going to the swimming pool.
No, but now we are having lunch.
Yeah, we're going to swimming pool. I'm so excited.
Oh, I thought
Now
it
we are
was
having
already.
lunch. We are having lunch, and then later on, we're gonna.
Go to the swimming pool. Mommy, can you be in the swimming pool to keep an eye on me?
Why? Don't you want me to keep eye on you?
I'm
What are
going
you
to
doing?
run. I want mommy to help me paddle like a penguin.
Mimi, look what I can do and it's so
Mommy,
funny.
in the swimming pool, can you help
Mommy,
me
look.
to paddle like a penguin?
Mimi, look what I can do and it's so funny.
Are you eating the fish, guys?
Yeah.
What?
It's almost like a
You want
little-
more rice?
I want rice and fish. But I can't reach anything because there's
Okay,
too much.
just a moment. Just a moment.
Yum, yum, yum.
You want more rice?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay.
We call Mimi
More?
Mommy.
You want more?
Mom, you call Mimi Mommy.
Yeah, but she's...
And
We
Althea,
have-
you're not eating your noodle beans. You're
We
not
have-
eating your fish.
We got 3 mommies if you know. We got
No,
Mommy,
three.
Mommy Nancy, Mommy Mimi, Mommy.
Okay.
We have three daddies. One that's Father Angel, one that's Tito, one that's Daddy.
So these are noodle beans, guys.
If you never tried them before,
It's yummy.
they're so good.
Mm.
I really love thin ones because the thick ones, the one that they like this, I don't really like them.
Which one?
The beans that they like this.
Mommy.
But you try this one. It's sweet from the garden, sweetheart.
This one I like those.
Mommy, go to
And you?
the garden and you see some food.
Is that your cigarette?
Mimi,
What's
can I
that?
tell the vlog my
What?
secret?
What's your secret? If
That
it is secret,
I
don't
love
tell.
Mano. I love
You must
Mom.
love your
I
sister,
love
of
the
course.
Mommy.
Of course.
I love the whole wide family.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time. See you in our next videos. Up for more. If you haven't subscribed,
Subscribe now.
bye.
Peace.